This is the hardest one we've ever done, and I think I'm gonna pee my pants.
Hey guys, it's Katie, and we are back with another translation challenge, or as I like to call it, let's torture Jasmine. If you are just joining us, we take a recipe, we put it into Google Translate, and we go from Portuguese to Latin to Hebrew to Cantonese and many, many, many more, and then we bring it back to English to give us a hilariously translated recipe. Today's recipe actually comes from a very special guest. Let's see who it is.
Hi, I'm Aria, and today I picked a very special dish for Jasmine to make. It's one that I ate a lot growing up as a kid, so I'm excited to see her take on it. I can't tell you guys exactly what it is just yet, but I'll pop it at the end with my version of the dish and we'll compare and see how she did. She doesn't even know it's me coming, and so it should be a real fun treat of a time. Good luck.
Good luck indeed. Let's go give this recipe to Jasmine. All right, Jasmine, are you ready?
I'm ready.
This one came from a special guest.
Who?
I am not telling you.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. Saltwater Pisces! I do love me a good Pisces.
And you know I am what? You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Saltwater Pisces. What's the symbol for Pisces?
It's a fish.
Fish.
Yes. No, it's not a clue.
Fish. Step number 1. In between, pour 1.5 raw bread in warm water. Leave until the fruit bears fruit. I think it's getting crazy now that these translations are slowly forming a new grammar rule in my head.
Like this made sense to you.
Well, no, but yeah, in between. In a hole, in a bowl. Bowls! Raw bread, I think, is flour. All right, what kind? Panko! Coconut flour.
Don't look at Kelly, she gives it away with her. Stop Morse coding with your eyes.
All right, I'm going with all-purpose flour. Can never go wrong with all-purpose flour. Oh, the bowls are here. Let's do 1.5 cups of flour. I'm just gonna slowly add in water until a dough forms. Leave until the fruit bears fruit. I'm gonna cover it and let it rise. I'm scared. Okay, I have a solid dough. I'm going to cover it with a towel and let it rise. Step number 2, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Addition, subtraction. Okay, butter. We have butter. Are we making a pie crust?
Does that look like a pie crust?
No. Grapeseed oil, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil. Let's go with grapeseed oil. I'm doing it. Well, then we will go with 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I will mixy addition. All right, I don't know if this is right. In fact, I think it's kind of a dry dough. Step number 3, in a garbage can, combine 2 cups green bread and 1.5 teaspoons salt. Stir, east, dow, stir. Stir, east, dow, stir. Let's see, what are our options? There's so much greenery here. We got lettuce, green onion, and leek. I think leek. If it doesn't say how to cut it, green bread is going to be leeks. I'm having them lengthwise, and then I'm gonna thinly slice. Can I have a hint, please? You know what, Katie? I'll get a hint from you. Are leeks on the right track?
Sometimes words just appear.
No! Words just appear.
Yes.
I think your hint told me that the leeks are not correct. Well, dang it. So bread, flour in another bowl, in a separate bowl. All right, we're just gonna go AP flour. 1.5 teaspoons salt. Is it actually salt though? I trust it. 1, 2, 3. Stir, east, dow, stir. Maybe that is whisk together. This looks lovely. Next step, add the flour to the pan and fall to his on knees never again. You fell to your knees. Oh, add this flour to the dough and knead. I'm so scared. I'm trying to figure out what culture this is. What cuisine does this food come from? Also, I just feel like I might have messed up.
Your face right now.
Next step, letting it happen in olive oil. That's how I feel. I just said I'm just gonna let it happen. Olive oil! No! I was going to use that earlier and then I used grapeseed oil. Now I'm gonna add breadcrumbs and plastic. Dig 1 hour. I am going to put it in a plastic. I'm not going to put it. Okay, so I think add breadcrumbs means add my dough to the bowl and plastic and cover. And I'm going to let it rest for 1 hour. I'm a little scared, but we'll be okay. It's okay. okay, everything's fine. Learn 3 pounds of onions. That's a lot of onions. Pounds probably is not right. Oh, this is really heavy. It's not 3 pounds for sure. Cups. Cups. I don't know in what way I should cut the onions. Like, should I cut them into little cubes, or should I cut them into little squares, or very thin slices, or mince? Whomst knows? So I'm going to go with 3 cups of thinly sliced onions. BRB. I have my thinly sliced onions here. I'm gonna use 3 cups of these. Next step, melt 2 spoon beds paradise and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There's a large pot on a hot plate. Hot plate. I need a large pot. Okay, here's a large pot. Melt 2 spoon beds. Tablespoons! Butter makes me feel like it's paradise, I will say. 2 tablespoons paradise and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, so I am going to kind of just stick to the recipe for this one. I think butter is paradise. So we'll do 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my large pot on this hot plate. Add the laughter to Ancor. 1.5 teaspoons this time with a lot of salt. For some reason, I'm thinking sugar because it's so sweet and happy. Ancor. What is Ancor? Olives? You are on a boat and you drop the anchor and you go fishing. 2 cans of fish. I think I need a hint. Am I on the right track with fish being anchor?
Yes.
So I have solid white albacore tuna, wild sardines, and anchovies. I pick anchovies. Add the laughter. Onions. Add the laughter to Ancor. 1.5 teaspoons, this time with a lot of salt. Yes. This time with a lot of salt. Step number 9. Usually the aroma is yellow when sugarcane until it is weak. I am just gonna cook these until they're weak and soft. Oh, sugarcane. I don't have the tools to use this correctly, so no more sugarcane. I am just cooking these onions over medium-high heat until they are soft. It's been like 7 days and my onions are finally nice and weak and soft. So let's move on to the next step. Step number 10, fry a large sheet of salad. Fry, cook a large sheet. Fry a large sheet. Prepare a large sheet of greens. I'm scared, but I think I need to use my final hint.
What do you use to fry?
Oil. Oh my gosh! Do I have to grease the pan? I just greased my baking sheet. I regret using that hint. So no salad? After adjusting the width and height of the powder, make sure to control it with your fingers. Oh, my dough? My child! Is this like an onion bread? Control it with your fingers, huh? I'm just spreading it with my fingers after adjusting the whole thing, maybe? Feels like I'm making pizza or a bread of some sort, flatbread perhaps. How thin do we want this? Oh my gosh, my biceps are throbbing.
It's like an 80s workout.
It is. Next step, opaque and walk for 30 minutes. Walk 30 minutes? It's already been resting. Bake. And I'm gonna bake this for 30 minutes. There's no temperature, so maybe I'm not baking it for 30 minutes. My heart says bake it. 30 minutes at opaque. 350? I don't know, 8 minutes? 12 minutes? 30 minutes at 350. All right. In you go. This is out of the oven. Let's move on to the next step.
How do you feel about that?
Katie, every time you ask me how I feel about things, I have 0 clue. I don't know. Rinse the oven 400.
So what do you think the first line before that now meant?
Let it sit for 30 minutes. So now that I've read the next step, I assume rinse the oven means preheat the oven to 400, and I was supposed to let this rest. Undo. Next step, sprinkle caramel sugar on top of the flour. Caramelized onions. I'm like thinking about how wrong I am and I'm so sad. Well, this is what you guys want, for me to mess up. I'm just spreading it on here. Now I'm trying to just make it tasty.
We should audition new oh yeses.
We should.
What-
Give me
okay.
your best.
Oh yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Hey, baby. What? Step 15, add opinion in X format. Add olives and 1.5 teaspoons of tea. Add opinion. What is this? More olives. I almost want to skip this step. I'm so confused. I think it's onion bread of some sort. But even then, with olives, my X format, my heart says cocktail onions. I think opinion is cocktail onions.
Do you want to try one before you come into this?
I am artfully placing my cocktail onions in an X format. I'm really hoping that once this video goes up, I'm not embarrassed of this decision. This is beautiful. I've now been initiated into X-Men. Add 1.5 teaspoons of tea. Time. I think 1.5 teaspoons of tea is probably time. A little bit, you know? I'm just thinking about how untasty this looks. I don't think olives are olives, so I'm gonna add anchovies. Yeah, I'm gonna decorate it with anchovies. Next step, add 20 minutes, yellow salt is in the ear. Oh, bake it for 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna skip that step because I already baked it. So then these are supposed to be cooked a little, huh? I'll just leave it like this. Last step, hold on. Where did I go wrong? Rest, enjoy. Now we shall enjoy. This is the saltwater Pisces. It is something. I don't know where I went wrong. I don't even know where I went right, but I'm excited to see who the guest is and what the original dish is.
Let's find out.
Knock, knock, knock.
Oh my God, is it Aria?
Oh my God, what
what
did
I
you
think it is?
make? Hello.
How
We haven't
can
seen each
we?
other in 2 years.
I can't believe you're here.
Well, thank you for having me. And what did you bring? I mean, it's something. So this is a pisse saladière, French dish from the south of France, from Provence. So when you I hope when I take a bite of yours, I'm gonna feel like I'm on the French Riviera.
You
That's what I
will.
want.
I mean, it looks pretty different, but I say we give them a try. Let's try this one first.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Wow, that's delightful.
Whoa.
Very good. Okay, let's try saltwater Pisces.
Yours looks like it's cutting better.
Well, it's because it's made incorrectly.
Bon
Cheers.
appetit. Okay.
Oh.
Pickled onion aside, it doesn't taste that bad.
In the beginning, it was yeast, and you did flour. It was supposed to be yeast and warm water.
Oh.
It's not that bad. It's you know, I wouldn't give it to a Frenchman.
Actually, I don't mind the caramelized onions with the pickled onions
either.
at all. That's like
Mm,
really
yeah,
yummy.
yeah.
You like the
You
whole
like
thing? The bread is terrible.
All right, Aria, thank you so much for teaching me how to make saltwater Pisces. It came out a little bit different, but keep sending Katie recipes at Old Lady Katie on Instagram, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Au revoir.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby. What?